My dear students, welcome to the Computer Assisted Language Learning course. My name is Emilija. I will be your instructor for this semester teaching this course. This is me. I am currently a doctoral candidate at Indiana University in Bloomington, Indiana, and this is the second time I'm teaching this course. Last semester it was partially online, partially on-site, whereas this semester this course will be completely online. I am looking forward to working with all of you, and I hope you will enjoy taking this course. Contact me via my email. I will be also available on Skype for individual meetings, and we will be using Adobe Connect. We will be organizing meetings in Adobe Breeze upon request. Please send me an email to schedule a meeting, either Skype or Breeze, but make sure you send me an email at least 1 to 2 days before the actual date of the meeting, so you make sure that I'll be in front of my computer waiting for you. As computers have become more and more integrated in our daily lives, it's vital for language teachers to have some understanding of their role in language instruction. It's vital for language teachers to understand how they can incorporate technology in teaching English. It's hoped that this course will serve as a foundation for those of you who want to become teachers and interest you in applying technology in teaching language and beyond. This course is an introduction to the field of computer-assisted language learning. No prerequisites are required. The only thing you need to know is working with a computer, using the Word document. The rest that we will be learning in this course, you will receive appropriate guidance. You will receive instructions as to what and how you need and can do things. Course topics include the history and principles of call, courseware evaluation and implementation, computer-mediated communication, research and learning training. In addition, the use of computers, we will discuss the use of computers in the development of particular language skills, reading, writing, listening, speaking, as well as culture. The course examines current language theories that underline call applications, and the projects that we will be doing in this course will implement these learning theories. At least some of them. As I mentioned, this course will run completely online using the LIBRI course management software. You can access LIBRI through the website provided, and you will receive appropriate training should you contact Marika Apostolova, and feel free to email me at my email address should you need additional help or guidance as to how you can access things or where you can find things within LIBRI for the Computer Assisted Language Learning course. The guidelines provide instructions as to how you can access LIBRI, how you can log into LIBRI, and how you can find the course. Again, Marika is the contact person for any issues that you have in LIBRI, or should you want face-to-face guidance in using LIBRI. The objectives for this course are to define what computer-assisted language learning is and how it evolved alongside technology, as well as the approaches to language teaching. To appreciate typical techniques for creating and orchestrating language learning activities, particularly those that create authentic student interaction. To create simple multimedia web-based language activities. To develop students' abilities to evaluate call software and web-based activities. To improve students' writing, teaching, and presenting abilities in English through the usage of technology. At this level, being MA students in the ELT Master's Program, you are expected to have good command of your English, which means advanced academic English, which should be reflected through your writing and through speaking. You will need computer and internet to be able to access LIBRI and to complete the assignments for the course. You will need to install Skype, which you can get for free from skype.com, in order to be able to communicate with me, or if you want to schedule individual meetings. This is an overview of the course schedule and the topics that we will be covering each week. The course is organized in weeks, and this is the week 1 of our course, where I am talking about the syllabus, introduction, and certain policies that are important for the course. Next, we will cover history of call, principles, introduction to current attitudes to call. Week 4 is language learning models and software evaluation. Week 5, language testing and assessment. Then we'll talk about using software in the classroom. And then for the next 4 weeks, we will cover the speaking, the language skills, speaking, writing, listening, and reading. Then we'll talk a little bit about the culture, and then we get to our main project, which is the web quest. Last 2 weeks of the semester, you will be posting your web quest projects, and then get input from your colleagues and from me before you submit the project as a final project, in your final version. There are several assignments that you are required to complete in order to pass the course, which are broke down in the chart on the left hand side. So the way I'm going to grade you, and the things I will consider for your grade, would be online participation in discussion forums set for each week. You will do a website evaluation following specific guidelines. You will do 2 reflection papers. One would be evaluation and testing paper incorporating resources covered about assessment and reflecting on your taking of IB TOEFL, internet-based TOEFL. And the second one is the final reflection paper, which incorporates technology for improving the foreign language skills and culture. The first reflection paper brings you 10%, the second reflection paper brings you 20%. You will be required to do at least 3 journal writing assignments, which brings you 10% of your grade. You will have specific instructions as to how to write summary of articles that you will find in online journals related to technology and teaching. Next project is creating a multiple choice quiz in PowerPoint, and you will get specific video that will guide you through the creation of this quiz. Content should be of your choice, and I will not grade the content unless or language unless it's at a very low level. The final project is the web quest, which takes 20% of your grade, and you will get podcasts and specific guidelines as to how you need to create the web quest and what the web quest needs to contain. On the right hand side is the grading scale and the points, that is the percentage you need to achieve in order to get specific grade. Plagiarism will not be tolerated. If you do plagiarize assignment, you will get a 0 for that assignment. Please note that plagiarism is any copied material from the internet, book, or a classmate. In the link provided, the first link provided, you will have specific guidance as to how to recognize plagiarism. Each one of you is required to complete the tutorial and a quiz about recognizing plagiarism. This will also help you with examples of paraphrasing and in-text citation. That is, will show how you can paraphrase and how you can do in-text citation in order to avoid plagiarism. You will find the quiz to the plagiarism in the link provided below, the second link on this page. What I want you to do is, as part of your of the assignment for this week, is to take this plagiarism quiz, Once you reach 100 points, you will get a certificate, and I want you to copy and paste that certificate on a Word document and drop it in a Dropbox in LIBRI for week 1.